At Supermicro, we've been working for over 25 years in the industry to develop on technologies such as AI, deep learning within oil and gas, autonomous vehicles. We're also an engineering first company, which means that we're 12 to 6 months ahead of the curve when it comes to new technologies from our partners, whether that be in storage, compute, or in memory and networking. Never before has man been on the cusp of actually increasing the performance of technologies to outperform that of the human brain. We're working with technologies within the GPU space in AI and deep learning for smart cities and autonomous vehicles. We also actually input this into our own factories in the USA, where we have self-driving forklift trucks to move your technology around the warehouse and get it delivered to you even quicker than before. We're also the de facto standard when it comes to storage hardware. On x86 hardware with the new software-defined infrastructure that a lot of companies are looking for, you will see that Supermicro is the platform that these companies go to develop their software on. This is not just because we are flexible, but it's because we're also performant. If you're at Cloud Expo London this year, you have to come by the booth and talk to us about our deployment, which is now noted as the fastest cloud in Europe. Whether you're an engineer, a technician, or you're a salesperson, please come by the Supermicro booth and talk to one of our team. If you think cloud, think Supermicro.